Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify photo filters in tone with Adobe Lightroom, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Lightroom on your computer. Import the photo you want to edit by clicking on the Import button. Navigate to the folder where your images are stored. Select the photo and click Import to add it to your library. Once the photo is in your library, click on it to open it in the Develop module. Take a moment to analyze the current filter and tone applied to your image. To begin adjusting the filter, locate the basic panel on the right side. Here, you will find options for exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. Start by adjusting the exposure slider to brighten or darken your image. Next, modify the contrast slider for added depth in your photo. Check the highlights and shadows sliders to soften or enhance brightness in dark areas. Make subtle adjustments to whites and blacks for overall balance. To explore different filters, navigate to the Effects panel. There, you can apply a vignette for depth around the edges of your image. If you want to add a creative filter, look for the Color Grading panel. Here, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of different tonal ranges. Experiment with split toning to add color to highlights and shadows. To verify your adjustments, use the before/after view. Press the # key to see the original photo alongside your edited version. Make any final adjustments as needed while comparing both images. When satisfied, export your final image by clicking on the Export button. Choose your desired format and quality settings for the export. Click Export to save the adjusted photo to your designated folder. Congratulations, you've successfully verified photo filters in tone with Adobe Lightroom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.